What are you watching? Watching the car go by?
Yeah.
Why?
Just to see.
There's a Dodge Neon. Ooh,
Yeah,
it's exciting.
I just want to see what kind of car
All
it
right.
is.
This is one of those times we talk about having this car for just under 4 years, 10,000 miles. We've now had the car about 4 years, and we've had it for 10,000 miles. So obviously it doesn't get driven in winter, right?
Nope.
No, I feel good about that. I would drive this car in winter, though.
Yeah.
It's definitely doable if you get the right tires.
Yeah.
But we only drive it in summer, about 2,500 miles a summer, obviously. So we now have 165,400 miles on this car, right? This car has been crazy. Do you remember last time we took it in? It's been crazy for how well it's been, like, without maintenance, without real maintenance.
Yeah.
Because again, you just have to plug it in, charge it up for the engine, for the battery every winter. Do you remember the last time we went in at all? Like the issue?
For the brakes, maybe?
No, it's more than a year ago, right? We're doing this in July, and it was, I think, in April or May of the previous year. We were having, like, the lights show up, all the VSC lights that everybody talks about. I was just like, oh, remember that nightmare?
Yes.
Right? We couldn't figure it out. We thought it might be the gas cap, or like maybe it's leaking, because that's a common issue. Go in, they check it out, we get a new gas cap. It's like $400 later, and it doesn't solve it.
No.
What did solve it, though, was I was going to a cheap gas place.
Oh.
Right? I was getting
first.
what they said was 91 premium gas.
Yeah.
But it was obviously shite gas.
Yeah.
As soon as we went and got same 91 premium, but at a better gas station, more name brand,
Yeah.
it all went away.
It all went away.
That is the last time. We have now driven it ever since then, including stored for the winter. And it has been nothing. No maintenance.
No.
Our maintenance in the last 18 months has been $200. $206 to be exact.
That's amazing.
Yes, that's it. Right. So, and before that, the previous maintenance was an oil change 2 years ago now.
I mean, I don't know if that's good on us.
That's bad for us.
2 years.
It's 5,000 miles. That's the other thing. It's about 160,000 miles. And we've done 5,000 miles, but it has been 2 years.
Yeah.
Some would say you should change it every year. But I checked the oil recently. Not only was it full, it was still clear.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
Needed to do the oil change. And that was just under 2 years ago. And that was like a couple $100. That's it.
That's it.
So we asked, hey, is this a high mileage car? 160,000 miles. That was 2 years ago. Now it's 165,000 miles. Doesn't use oil. Has had no reason for any kind of maintenance. It's been great. And I gotta say, there's been no rips or tears. We polished her up. You saw how shiny it was.
Yeah.
We'd show you right now, but we just ran through some rain. So
I know. I just can't believe it. It's been so easy to run, cheap to run.
yeah, that's the other thing, is we realized it gets about 18, 19 miles to the gallon in the city. And compared to our other car, which is a C63, much better.
Yes.
So good buy or bad buy? 4 years ago for $10,000.
A great buy. A great buy.
Right.
If you ever can get your hands on one of these SC430s, I'd say totally do it.
Yep.
It is a beautiful car, reliable. They go on forever.
It was a golden age of Lexus. So
Yes.
bottom line is they really are well built and well worth keeping.
Well worth keeping. And you know what? It just feels like therapy going out in the car.
Yeah, we bought it for vacation in the car during COVID. Now it's vacation in the car. Which people do?
And therapy in a car.
Yeah. Therapy in the car, right?
Yes.
Which people do?
Please like and subscribe to our channel. We would greatly appreciate it.
What she said.